Restoration of Denver Botanic Gardens' Mitchell Hall roof was one of Kudu Roofing's most distinctive accomplishments of 2025, and tonight earns them a first-place finish in Division 1. The 50-square dome, constructed from 80 full-size and 28 half-size diamonds and crowned with 4 custom pyramid skylights, had suffered decades of deterioration and numerous failed repair attempts. Kudu Roofing partnered with Karnak and Elephant Armor to engineer a long-term solution, supported by a custom 6-page application guideline, multiple pull tests, and on-site product demonstrations. Extensive grinding, shaping, and precision repair work were required to restore each diamond to its original form before installing a full Karnak coating system that achieved the 20 mil thickness with a 10-year warranty. Safety remained an essential priority. A joint meeting with the Denver Botanic Gardens staff before the project began established site access protocols and procedures while working discreetly around visitors. Crews used full PPE at all times, monitored weather conditions closely, and evacuated the roof whenever rain or lightning approached. Especially important because the dome became extremely slippery when wet. Wind management, tripping hazards from drainage channels, and controlled material handling were constant considerations, all contributing to a project without incident. Mitchell Hall sits beside the historically protected Betcher Memorial Tropical Conservatory, requiring careful control over spraying, noise, and foot traffic. All grinding and prep work had to be completed before the gardens opened to the public at 9 a.m., and the facility remained open every day, including during major events. Elephant Armor's rapid cure time demanded innovation on the sloped dome, leading the crew to create custom wood molds to shape repair areas accurately. Roller application of the coating system was chosen to avoid overspray risks, and applying the final coat from a single bucket per diamond ensured a uniform appearance. Weather became one of the most significant factors, with above-normal rainfall extending the project from an estimated 3 weeks to 6 weeks. The coating system could not be applied to wet surfaces or exposed to moisture during curing, resulting in short workdays and frequent delays. Despite these conditions, the intricate, labor-intensive nature of the repairs, the project was completed to Kudu's high standards and earned praise from the Denver Botanic Gardens. Kudu Roofing salutes the exceptional craftsmanship, adaptability, and professionalism of the entire team. For all of that and more, Kudu Roofing takes home first place in Division 1 for this remarkable project.